Alright guys, here we go. We've got box number 2 of NFL Foundations 2005 from Upper Deck. First box, we hit 4 autographs out of there. No big names though. So, let's see if we can do a little bit better this time around. First pack's all base. Got a decent price on 3 boxes. Went ahead and picked those up. Waiting for a National Treasures box. And later next week should have an entire case of the 2007 SP Authentic on the way, so definitely want to check out the videos from that break. Damian Nash, rookie there, 42 of 399. Base. And rookie autograph in that one is Terrence Murphy of the Green Bay Packers, number 345 of 575. All base there. Some of the rookies that are in this product with autographed rookie cards are Marion Barber, got Jason Campbell, and Brandon Jacobs as well. There's a nice gold. Got Roy Williams for the Detroit Lions, number 37 of 99 right there. Nice parallel of a good player. And of course it does still have Aaron Rodgers and Alex Smith rookies in here as well. Those ones being more difficult to find. I believe those are numbered to 175. Base. Autograph here is Dan Orlovsky, quarterback for the Detroit Lions, number 154 of 699. Looks like all base in that. Base. Looks like all base there again. Nothing there. All base again. Nothing much there. Alfonso Thorpe from the Kansas City Chiefs. Base again. Nothing there. All base again. We got a rookie here. Boomer Grigsby, Kansas City Chiefs, number 315 of 399. Unless we got something good here, not too much came out of this box. All base there. Thanks.